Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram filter not working on iPhone and Android. So let's get started. So friends, very first thing what you need to do is just open up settings app on your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on app and notification. Here click on Instagram. After that, click on force stop and click on OK to confirm that you want to force stop. Then click on storage and caches under the Instagram. On the next page, click on clear caches. Wait for few seconds. Then click on clear storage and click on OK. Now go back to home screen and delete your Instagram app. Go to Play Store or App Store on your iPhone or Android. Now reinstall the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. That's all.